You're welcome to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be making fried crunchy chin chin. So what do I need for this? I need my flour, my salt, a little pinch of salt, my nutmeg, and my sugar. I'm going to leave the measurements below. Then I also need my baking powder, of course, and my raw egg. And I'm using milk for this recipe. I'm not using water. I will use milk. And another essential ingredient I need also is my butter. So I'm going to add my nutmeg, a pinch of salt, my sugar, and I would turn it. After turning it, I'm going to add my butter. You can watch me carefully as you do this with me. So after adding my butter, I'm going to use my hands now. After stirring it, turning it around to have a good stir, I'm going to add my egg, a spoon to turn it, because when I directly put my hands there, my hand will be kind of gumming. So I'm going to turn it. Watch me carefully as we'll turn this together. And please don't forget to like and press the notification button so that when I post my new video, you will get notified. And don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. So I will be adding my milk. I'm using thin milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but I'm using 3 Crown. It's as you can see, I just added a little of the milk. I did not add it much. So after that, I allowed my dough to rest for like 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I cut it into two pieces, and I am going to start rolling up one of the half dough. So I'm going to use my roller to roll my dough. I always like my chin chin very smooth. That is why it seems as I am turning it up and down. I just want it to be very smooth. That's why I see as if I'm rolling and scattering it. So after that, I'm going to use my cutter and cut it to the shape of the chin chin. You can cut it any shape of your choice. I'm a student, so I just made these snacks in order for me to be eating at home instead of me to be buying snacks of 50 naira. I can also make this at home, and it will be cheaper when I make it at home. So I am done with the first round, and I'm going to use the same method for the second round. So you can watch me carefully as I roll my second dough. Please don't forget, after mixing with the milk, as I said earlier, you are going to leave it for 30 minutes. You allow it to relax for 30 minutes before rolling your dough. So we've gotten half of the chin chin processing. We are going to go to the next step, which is the frying method. So after that, I'm going to place my frying pan on the fire and place oil and allow it to become hot. After it becomes hot, I'm going to add my chin chin and I will start frying. My frying pan is a little kind of small. But if you have a bigger frying pan, there's no need for stirring as much as I stirred in this video. So I am going to start turning my chin chin so that it won't get burnt, and this will take up to 10 minutes. My chin chin will be ready. You can enjoy your chin chin with any soft drink of your choice. I do use my snack, and my chin chin is ready. So I'm going to bring my chin chin out of the fire and I'll be transferring it into a filter. If you have a newspaper, you can also transfer it there, just for the oil to get out of the already fried chin chin if there is any excess oil in it. But as you can see, my chin chin did not suck any oil. My chin chin is crunchy and sweet. If you have a bottled container at home, you can put your chin chin in it. While you are watching the movie, you can relax and enjoy your chin chin. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next.